Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to hit a golf ball for beginners. Start by setting your feet shoulder-width apart and flexing your knees slightly for balance. Hold the club with a light, neutral grip so your wrists can hinge. Place the ball according to the club choice and align your shoulders to the target. Take smooth practice swings to feel tempo before addressing the ball and keep breathing as you prepare. Rotate your torso away from the target while your lower body stays stable and balanced. Let the club lift with a gentle wrist hinge instead of forcing it with your hands. Maintain a straight but relaxed lead arm to keep the swing on plane and controlled. Pause at the top briefly to feel the coil, then unwind smoothly into the downswing with coordinated hip and shoulder movement for consistent contact, and drive your weight toward the front foot as you approach impact to compress the ball and produce solid strikes. Keep your head calm and eyes focused on the spot you hit so your body can rotate through naturally. Let your arms extend and your torso turn, finishing high and balanced with the club pointing toward the target. Practice short, controlled swings first, then build speed while maintaining balance and rhythm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.